This is a pleated filter of 0.5 micron and 10 inches in length. It is a type of filter also known as service filter. It is a filter that has a small pore diameter, therefore it is placed at the final stage of sediment filtration in a water purifying machine. It is a type of filter used to remove suspended solids from water. Suspended solids include the sand particles, dust particles, and any other suspended matter in the water. To replace a wound filter, you unwrap the filter and carefully place it in an already open filter housing, then you tightly screw the housing onto the filtration machine. Pleated filters are available in different sizes and readily captures pathogens and filtering out even the tiniest bacteria.